Hey there, good morning and welcome to Capital Markets Quickie. Today is Saturday, September 21st, and I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to give you a quick snapshot of what happened in the stock market yesterday. Let's get into it. Just a quick reminder, everyone, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt, your leading provider for individual investment solutions and mutual funds. Visit amf-capital.de for more information. So, things were pretty steady on Friday. After the excitement of Thursday's rally, the markets took a breather. The Standard & Poor's 500 kind of hovered around the flat line after hitting an all-time high the day before. Meanwhile, the Dow managed to creep up a little, building on its record close. The Nasdaq? Well, it was pretty quiet, erasing some of its morning losses, but not doing much overall. Now, despite Friday's more muted action, the week is still looking pretty solid for the major averages. Most of the gains came from Thursday when investors really embraced Jerome Powell's message. The Fed made that big interest rate cut not out of panic, but to keep the economy strong. That idea was boosted by jobless claims data that helped calm some nerves. But as always, Wall Street's wondering if there's more to the story. Some experts are saying the Fed might be a little behind in guiding the economy to a soft landing. Traders seem to be betting on deeper cuts this year than what the Fed's dot plot is projecting. We'll see how that plays out. There's also talk about a possible bubble forming. One top strategist from Bank of America pointed out that with all this policy easing and hopes for strong earnings growth, investors might be chasing gains a little too eagerly. In corporate news, Intel shares saw a nice spike after reports came out that Qualcomm might be considering a takeover. Qualcomm, on the other hand, took a bit of a hit and sank about 4%. Then there's FedEx, which didn't have the best day. They posted a sharp drop in profits, missing Wall Street's estimates, and their stock fell as much as 14%. That's always a bit concerning because FedEx is seen as a bellwether for the broader economy. And finally, Nike made some waves. Their stock jumped after they announced a new CEO, just as the company's sales have been facing some pressure. Let's see how that plays out for them moving forward. And that's a wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and I'll be back Monday morning with what's happening in the week ahead. Have a great weekend, everyone.